of stone, I'll roll in mine. Together we can see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. Find a home within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character it steals. The darkness is a harsh turn, don't you think? Bridges have been burned. You say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's not the long walk home that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive with the restart. Oh, darkness is a harsh term, don't you think? And yet it dominates the things I see. Oh, darkness is a harsh term, don't you think? And yet it dominates the things I see. Stars, hide your fires. These here my desires, and I will give them up to you this time around. And so I'll be found with my stake stuck in this ground, marking the territory of this newly impassive soul. You've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine. Thank you very much.